Before we move on to the second item, a few words about the choreographer and guru of Sharin Jivita, Ms. Meenakshi Bhaskar. Meenakshi Bhaskar, born into a family of artists, studied dance at the University of Wisconsin, USA. After returning to Singapore, she took on lead roles in Bhaskar Arts Academy productions and performed for dignitaries, including Queen Elizabeth. In 1996, she received the Singapore Young Artist Award for her contributions to the arts. A talented choreographer, Meenakshi's work blends Bharatanatyam with influences from her global dance training, as seen in her collaboration with Spanish guitarist Roberto Corrales in Yatra 3, 2010. She serves as an advisor for Nrityalaya Aesthetic Society, Singapore, and Bhaskar Arts Academy, California, and continues to teach and choreograph in both locations. We move on to the next syllable in Sharavanabhava. Ra depicts Aishwarya, fame, the one who brings wealth and prosperity in your life. Om Namo Mahadambaya Namaha. Praise be thine, O Lord of lofty magnificence. Who else but the Lord himself in being the epitome of attraction? One has bravery painted all over it. He is the deity symbolizing courage, wisdom, and victory. Lord Muruga also means wisdom of Lord Shiva. The divine spear he holds is a symbolic representation of that wisdom. The shape of the spear is deep, wide, and sharp, which means a good form of knowledge and tells how wisdom has to be. The next item, we have the famous Muttaitaru by the sage Aruna Girinadhar in Ragam Shanmugapriya, Talam Mishra Chapu, that speaks of the valorous attraction that Lord Muruga displays as he is Sharavanabhava, holding the powerful spear called Shaktivel. ஓராறு முகமும் ஈராறு கரமும் தீராத வினை தன்னை தீர்க்கும் துன்பம் வாராத நிலை தன்னை சேர்க்கும் ஆறாவ முதனே அருள்மழை பெய்யும் கூரண வேல் கொண்டு கொடுமைகளை கொய்யும் உருவாய் அருவாய் உளதாய் இலதாய் மறுவாய் மலராய் மணியாய் ஒளியாய் கருவாய் உயிராய் கதியாய் விதியாய் குருவாய் வருவாய் அருள்வாய் குகனே. வேலுண்டு வினையில்லை, குமரனுண்டு பயமில்லை என்ற கூற்றை நாம் மறவோம்.
Allow us to proudly introduce our esteemed music composer, director, and cherished mentor, Dr. Gana Vidodhan Ratnam. With unwavering devotion to the Indian classical music, Dr. Gana has made a significant impact on the art scene in Singapore. Trained under Pandit M. Ramalingam, he is a distinguished flautist, celebrated for his international performances and 10 flute arangetrams, the first of their kind in Singapore. His achievements include his senior and non-Indian students winning top prizes at the National Indian Music Competitions, staging the world premiere of Gana Sangam at the Singapore Arts Festival in 2006, and recording for a Walt Disney film. Dr. Gana's contributions to the arts have been recognized with numerous awards: Singapore's Young Artist Award, Sangeeta Kala Nipuna, Singe Venu Gana Visharada, Mohana Murali, Singe Gokula Kannan, and Kuralose Vendan. He was also honored with a Lifetime Achievement and Humanitarian Medallion by the World Peace and Harmony Organization, New York. In addition to performing and teaching at Bhaskars Arts Academy, he composes for orchestras and dance ballets, receiving critical acclaim locally and abroad. He serves on various programming panels and mentorship schemes and was recently awarded an honorary doctorate from the International Tamil University, USA.
Next, let's explore the syllable Va in Sharavanabhava. Va represents Sachidananda, symbolizing eternal happiness, the divine force that eliminates competition, diseases, debts, and physical discomforts while bestowing inner peace and joy. Our upcoming item is a tribute to Lord Shiva, the father of Lord Muruga, from whom he emerged through the third eye. Lord Shiva, the ultimate remover of all illnesses, is revered through the Mrityunjaya mantra, known for promoting good health and spiritual growth. தென்னானுடைய சிவனே போற்றி, எந்நாட்டவர்க்கும் இறைவா போற்றி, அண்ணாமலை என் அண்ணா போற்றி, கண்ணார முதக் கடலே போற்றி, சீரார் பெருந்துரை நம் தேவனடி போற்றி, ஆராத இன்பம் அருளும் மலை போற்றி, நிற்கும் இடமெல்லாம் சிவமயம் என்னும் நிலையை நாம் அறிவோம். Next, we have an old popular gem of a composition by Purandaradasa, Chandrachuda Shiva Shankara, in Ragam Darbari Kannada, Thalam Adi.
ಜಗತಿ ಮರೆ ನಂದಿವಾಹನ ಅನಂತ ಜಗತಿ ಮರೆ
ಜೊನು ತದಿಮಿದ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಮಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಾ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಿ ತದಣ ತಜೊನು ತದಿಮಿ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ತದಿಂಗಣ ತೊಂ ತರಿ ತದಣ ರಜಂ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಣ ತಜೊನು ರಜಂ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ಜೊನು ತದಿಮಿ ರಜಂ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ದಿಮಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ರಜಂ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತರಿ ತದಣ ರಾದಣ ತಜೊನು ದ ಜೊನು ತದಿಮಿ ದಾದಿಮಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತ ತದ್ ತಜಂ ತಕ್ಕದ ತಜಂ ಕಡದಗದ ತಜಂ ಜಗತಿ ಮರೆ ಅಂಧೋ ಆಗಡಗದದಿಂದ ಪೂಜಿಸಿದೆಂದು ಭುಜಿಸಿದವರೇ ಚಂದ್ರಚೂಡ ಶಿವ ಶಂಕರ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ರಮಣನಿಗೆ ದರ್ಗೆ ರಕ್ಷಣ ಕಲವೇರಿದೆ ಕುಂಭಪುರ ವಾಸ ಕರದಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಣಯ ಕರದಲ್ಲಿ ವೀಣ ಗಾನವ ಮಾಧುವ ಉರಗ ಭೂಷಣನು ನೀನು ಕೊರಲಲ್ಲಿ ಭಸ್ಮ ರುದ್ರಾಕ್ಷವರಿಸಿದ ಪರಮ ವೈಷ್ಣವನು ನೀನೇ ಗರುಡನ ಮಗನವ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲಗ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಪ್ರಿಯನನು ನೀ ಚಂದ್ರಚೂಡ ಶಿವ ಶಂಕರ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಚಂದ್ರಚೂಡ ಶಿವ ಶಂಕರ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ
We will now move on to Saravana Kirti, which Muruga bestows upon his devotees. What better way than a visual representation than that of glory, as Ganga sits and glows on the crown of Lord Shiva's head. This represents the casual waters from which the earth arises. She also represents the essential instrument of ritual purification, the one who also protects and purifies her devotees. We also know Ganga to be a mother to Lord Muruga, as said in the Subramanya mantra of Om Namo Ganga Sudaya Namaha. O son of goddess Ganga, praise be to thee. Coming up is Gange Ma Pahi in Ragam Jinjoti and in Ganga Ekatalam.
जय जय गंगे जय जय गंगे जय हर 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 गंगे नुम ददा 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 नुम दा नुम दा नुम दा नुम दा नुम ददा नुम ददा नुम ददा नुम ददा नुम दा नुम ददा 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 नुम द नुम द नुम द नुम ता गंगे मांबाही गंगे मांबाही गिरीश शिरसिते गंगे मांबाही गिरीश शिरसिते गंगे मांबाही गिरीश शिरसिते गंभीर संगीत वाद्य प्रिय गंगे मांबाही गिरीश शिरसिते गंभीर संगीत वाद्य प्रिय गंगे अंग जतात बोले असी करुणा अंग जतात बोले असी करुणा अंग जतात बोले असी करुणा अघोर भूजिगे
May we now introduce the dancer for tonight, Miss Sherin Jivita. Miss Sherin has been learning Bharatanatyam since the age of 7 and completed her Bharatanatyam Arangetram in 2010 under the training of Srimati Vasanta Kasinath. Miss Sherin has taken part in many cultural programs and danced annually in school and at temples for acclaimed festivals and celebrations. She has also received theatre training from Miss Pushpa in her junior college days and later on by G. Silva of Avant Theatre. Being both a dancer and an actress, she presented her first solo as a dance drama recital titled Madhavi in 2012 to raise funds for Sinda. As such, the passion for arts continues as she ventured into the performing wing of Vasanta Kasinath Kala Nilayam, VK Arts Limited, having received training from her guru for 24 years. Under VK Arts, she produced and danced in productions in Singapore, writing the concept and lyrics in Tamil. She also performed in the Chinna Melam Festival in Tanjavur Temple 2018 and Margari season in Chidambaram Temple Festival under the tutelage of Sri V. Balakrishnan. In 2021, under the artistic direction and choreography of Madam Shanta Bhaskar, she staged her solo Samrohana, Healing at 5 to 8 Hertz at the Esplanade, venturing into a pilot study of tying science and art together as part of her master's thesis. Her Bharatanatyam journey had been blessed to learn under Madam Shanta Bhaskar from 2019 to 2022 and currently continues learning under Miss Meenakshi Bhaskar. She also started learning Odissi since 2020 under the tutelage of Miss Indu Vijay and is currently learning Mohiniyattam from Miss Kalamandalam Pushpalata teacher. Hailing from a family of teachers, a Bachelor of Sciences education with honours gratitude and a mother of me, she is an IB school biology teacher and has completed her Masters in Science Communication for the National University of Singapore and Australian National University. In her next civil service stint in serving the Ministry of Education, Ms. Sherin looks forward to contributing further to children via the Arts Education branch dance.
We move on to the next syllable in Sharavanabhava, Ba, the one who attracts through charming. In looking at this attribute of Lord Muruga, one cannot go past the very source, the Shakti, the divine energy that made him his mother. The next item highlights the most beautiful and charming Chakra Adhipati, Ambal herself. Navashambhaga Pushpaba, Nasadanda Virajita, Taragandi Tirasagari, Nasabarana Pashura. Lalita Sahasranamam describes the beauty of the goddess. These lines describe Ambal as the one with a newly bloomed Shambhaga flower's bud as her nose. The one who adorns the nose stud that has more magnetic flow than the stars in the sky. Describing the beauty of Ambal, a beautiful composition by Gatam Karthik ascends the stage in Charukesi Ragam and Talam Adi.
na జని చారు కేసి సరసి జని చారు కేసి సరసి జని శరణం 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 భవదారిణి చారు కేసి సరసి జని శరణం 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 భవదారిణి చారు కేసి సరసి జని శరణం 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 భవదారిణి చారు కేసి సరసి జని నిర్మల చంద్రవదని నిర్మల చంద్రవదని నిరూపమ సోదరి నిర్మల చంద్రవదని నిరూపమ సోదరి నిర్మల చంద్రవదని నిరూపమ సోదరి నిగమారుణ్య నిరవధి సుఖదాయని నిర్మల చంద్రవదని నిరూపమ సోదరి నిగమారుణ్య నిరవధి సుఖదాయని చారు కేసి సరసి జలోచని శరణం 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 భవదారిణి చారు కేసి సరసి జలోచని నిత్య నిరాజ चारुकेसी सरसिज लोचनी
Anjana, shall we share a little about our musicians tonight?
On Natavangam, we have Miss Shivashni Kumar. Miss Shivashni Kumar started learning Bharatanatyam at a young age, first from her mother, Madam Padmini, and then under Mr. and Mrs. K.P. Bhaskar. She completed her Arangetram in 2001 and was a principal dancer at Bhaskar's Arts Academy. She was also actively involved in the National University of Singapore's Centre for the Arts Indian Dance Group in her undergraduate days. NUSCFA presented her duet dance performance Atmiya Baba at the University Cultural Centre in 2006. When Shivashni staged her first team solo performance, Prachodana, in 2012, under the direction of her guru, Shanta Bhaskar. A part-time teacher at Nithalaya Aesthetic Society, Ms. Shivashni conducted the Arangetram for her students in 2014. Recently, she started Odissi under Guru Indu Vijay and Nithalaya and has since participated in themed production Aham Brahmasmi in 2022 and staged a solo repertoire in 2024. Ms. Shivashni has completed her Masters in Public Administration and is a full-time public service officer, juggling time between career and her love for dance.
On Mirdangam, Nelluvai Ragesh. Ragesh is the latest addition to the musical ensemble at Nirtyalaya. Ragesh started his artistic journey under the tutelage of his father, Raju Nelluvai, after which he continued his training under Sri Sanoj Pungar, a renowned Mirdangam artist. Ragesh graduated from Kerala Kalamandalam, deemed to be University of Art and Culture by the Government of India, with an MA Mirdangam. Prior to his MA, Ragesh furthered his musical knowledge under Trishur K. Jayakrishnan and Cherthala S. Dinesh. Ragesh has bowed audiences in multiple notable performances, such as performing in the Chembai Music Festival in Guruvayur. Recognized as an all-India radio-graded artist, Ragesh has provided Mirdangam accompaniment for several Carnatic music concerts, dance programs, and Sampradaya bhajans all across India. Ragesh also has a knack for composing melodious devotional songs, varnams, and tillanas. Next, we have our vocalist, Miss Shakti Bhavani. Miss Shakti Bhavani began her singing journey at age 3 and formally studied Carnatic music from age 8 under Sri G. Manigandan until she was 12. She continued her education with Srimati Sharda Shankar and was active in competitions and performances. She was a member of the Singapore Indian Orchestra and Choir, participating in national events. At Nirtyalaya Aesthetic Society, she learned from Srimati Ambili Pillai and was a founding member of Swati Youth Choir, which won 3rd prize in the NAC competition in 2005. She completed her Arangetram in 2006 and has since taught vocal lessons and performed at various events. Ms. Shakti also studied with Srimati Karthika Vaidyanathan and Dr. Sivaraman from India and now teaches at Sakti Fine Arts. Ms. Shakti graduated with a bachelor's degree from the National Institute of Education and is currently teaching in primary schools. Next, our flautist, Kumar Mohan. Kumar Mohan started learning vocal and mridangam at Nrityalaya Aesthetic Society and found his love for flute under the tutelage of Sri Gana Vinodhan Ratnam. He did his solo Margam repertoire, Kumarakrit in 2016 and had opportunities to perform at local competitions, temple performances, and as accompaniment for dance performances. He has participated in Nrityalaya's Swati Orchestra and is also part of Venu Gana Lahari, a flute ensemble conducted by his guru, Gana Vinodhan. A certified public accountant, Kumar is currently a full-time auditor at RSM Singapore. Next, Veenai Madhavan Kalaiselvan. Madhavan began his training in vocal and veena under Mridangam Manu Nidivadi Muthusamy. He then received intensive training from Guru Srimati Meenakshi Somasundaram at the Singapore Indian Fine Arts Society and also studied under Sri Chembe T.K. Arun Kumar at Nrityalaya Aesthetic Society. He is currently advancing his studies with Srimati Meenakshi Somasundaram in Chennai and has furthered his Carnatic vocal training with Gurus Sri Sinnathambi Padmalingam and Sri T.P. Nishant in Singapore. In addition to his musical pursuits, Madhavan is a social worker with a BSc in psychology and an MA in social work, addressing issues like family violence and homelessness. He combines his passion for music and social work by participating in theatre productions, multi-ethnic ensembles, and dance dramas, and enjoys connecting with others through both his concerts and community work. And finally, Va, the one who stops negativity and influences from evil forces. Lord Murugan fulfills our wishes, takes away our difficulties, and frees us once we start chanting his mantra. Describing the beauty of the greater Subramanian, whose consort, Devayane and Valli, and especially Murugan who sits in his Arupade 6 houses. Coming next is a Tillana composed specially by Dr. Gana Vinodhan Ratnam in Ragam Hamir Kalyani and Thalam Rupagam. With intricate Kanaka in the choreways, the Tillana brings a fulfillment and completion to the dancer as she finishes tonight's repertoire, reminding herself of her union, one with the Lord, one with the spiritual growth, and one with herself that dance had given her. Tonight's repertoire ends with a special tribute to Lord Muruga via a sloka composed in Revati Ragam. Speciality would be the playing around of syllable pronunciation of the mantra Om Sharavana Bhava, done by Dr. Gana Vinodhan Ratnam. As we end tonight, may we remember through him, through dance, may we give back to the society as much as we can. Om Namo Shri Subramanyaya Namaha, in which we praise thee, most glorious effulgent radiance. Om Sharavana Bhava. Ladies and gentlemen, Tillana followed by a special sloka.
Deem ta uttaratani deem ta derana takka deem ta uttaratani deem ta derana ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ ರೂಪಣೆ ಆನಂದ ರೂಪಣೆ ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ ರೂಪಣೆ அறுபடை வீற்றிருக்கும் சிவஸ்கந்தனே வள்ளி தேவயானை மணவாளனே அறுபடை வீற்றிருக்கும் சிவஸ்கந்தனே வள்ளி தேவயானை மணவாளனே பாதமலர் பணிந்தோம் எம்மை அருள் புரிந்து ரட்சிப்ப நின் பாதமலர் பணிந்தோம் எம்மை அருள் புரிந்து ரட்சிப்ப ஆனந்த ரூபணே சுப்ரமண்ய ரூபணே அறுபடை வீற்றிருக்கும் சிவஸ்கந்தனே வள்ளி தேவயானை மணவாளனே ஓம் என்ற பிரணவ உட்பொருளே பிரணவ உட்பொருளே கந்தனே தேவ சுகந்தனே ஞான கதம்பனே தயாபரணே குருபரணே தயாபரணே குருபரணே பாதாரவிந்தம் துணை பாதாரவிந்தம் துணை தாயும் தந்தையும் நீ அல்லவோ தாயும் தந்தையும் நீ அல்லவோ சரவண பவா சரவண பவா சரவண பவா சரவண பவா சரவண பவா சரவண பவா என்று சொன்னாய் குறைகள் நீங்கி அருள் கூடும் முருகனே வெற்றி வேலனே சுவாமிநாதன் சுப்பிரமணியனே நினது திருமலரடி சரணம் நினது திருமலரடி சரணம் ஓம் ஸ்ரீம் ஷம் ஷம் சரவண பவாய சுப்ரமணியோ शरवण भवाय सुब्रह्मण्यो ॐ श्रीं शं शं शरवण भवाय
Thank you all for your generous donations. We have reached almost $3,000. The donation link will remain active until August 31st and will be shared with you via email, so please feel free to share it with anyone who might support our cause. At this point, we'd like to invite Ms. Meenakshi Bhaskar to present a token of appreciation to Ms. Roying, a representative from Rainbow Center. Thank you. As we bring this enchanting evening to a close, we want to take a moment to acknowledge and express our heartfelt gratitude to the incredible team that made tonight possible. We have Nattuangam Shivashni Kumar, Mridangam Nelluvai Ragesh, vocalist Shakti Bhavani, flautist Kumar Mohan, Veenai Madhavan Kalaiselvan, and our dancer Sharin Jeevitha Joseph. Music composition, direction, and mentorship, Dr. Gana Vinodan Ratnam. Guru, choreographer, Ms. Meenakshi Bhaskar. A special thanks to our dedicated crew, Subhatra Ganeshan, Natasha Mohan, Arasi Nathan, Ranjita Kalaisavan. And of course, your MCs for tonight, Meena Lochani and Anjana Reina Sri Ganesh. We also extend our deepest thanks to those who supported us in various ways. The Bhaskar Arts Team Academy team, the team at Rainbow Center, Mr. T.K. Arun Kumar and Mr. Sajid for sound, Mr. Niveen Herschel for lights, Selvi teacher for makeup and hair, Mr. Dharmendra and Maran for decorations, Lijesh Photography and Wango Studios for photography and videography, Jyoti Store and Flower Shop, Madras Woodlands, and everyone who contributed their help and support in any way. Thank you. And before we close, Sharin, would you like to share a few words?
Okay, I'll try to keep this short. Just a few things. Firstly, I need to thank my parents who fought all societal norms and put me in dance class, as it wasn't a thing appreciated in the space that I came from. So I hold the Joseph in my name very strongly. Yeah, and they're not here today. They both have passed on. If not, they would have greeted each and every one of you in person if they were here. So welcome and thank you so much on behalf of all my parents. And so Mada, Pida and Guru, they say. So gurus who have taught me, teacher, Srimati Vasanta Kasinath, Asriya, I call her. She's not here today, but the very person who kept me by her side and on her lap for 24 years and taught me everything she could about dance and resilience. The person who always overfed me and made sure I was a happy girl learning dance as I grew up. The one who made me her Vinayagar, Murugar, Shivan and Krishna, marrying all my dance juniors on stage multiple times. So first thanks to the teacher who took me into class when I was a little child. And then I went on to learn from Ajit sir and Bala sir for coming in at the right times. Thank you both. For coming at the right time in my life and imparting so much knowledge and passion into my dance. And then came what I call my fairy tale. Sorry, I have to take a little while here. My experience with a rock star and a superstar in my eyes. The parent I needed when I had nothing, Auntie Bhaskar, who had graciously opened the doors for me to learn when I thought it was all over, when I didn't have any more parents to handle my very little girl back then. So my very source of encouragement, she picked me up again and put me back on stage, taught me dance in such a different way and made me fall in love with dance once again, inspired me in ways I still cannot put words to. And then once again, I thought it was all over when she left too, and I was once again graciously adopted by Meenaka here. And Meenaka, more than just dance, thank you for teaching me grace with myself and others. In a world that can make a dancer easily feel either too much or never enough, thank you for holding a classroom that was a safe space for me. It's still a mystery how she can still accurately correct me on Zoom while managing a crazy timeline in the US with her student Arangetrams. I must have been a much tougher project, I believe. I enjoy all our classroom times and all the times I could open my heart and speak.